Alright, if you're planning to start a gardening YouTube channel, you will definitely need to watch this video because what I'm going to teach you in this video will make it so easy to start your own gardening YouTube channel in less than 24 hours after watching this video. Okay, now what? You need to listen to me because in the past 28 days, I make over $2,500 on YouTube and my YouTube channel got over 200,000 views. This is not to bragging, just to show you proof that I know exactly how YouTube works. I know exactly what is working on YouTube and not. And if I can make that much money and you can too as well while doing something that you love, which is gardening. So I will tell you everything, every secret those big YouTube channel use to reach those potential in a second. So alright, let's continue. So if you go on YouTube, you type in gardening, you will find a lot of YouTube channel, as you could see right here. So what make those YouTube channels so successful? Well, it's only three things: a good YouTube title, a good thumbnail, and making a good content to keep viewer engaging throughout the video. So this channel right here is a perfect example of that. So if you go to the oldest video, as you could see, that's not a good thumbnail, but it managed to get a lot of views because that was back then. Right now, YouTube is evolving. So first, I will be teaching you guys how to make a good title, and of course, we will use our good friend ChatGPT as well. So this channel right here, as you could see, the title say "From Weekly Lot to Thriving Homestead in 5 years." So this is a very catching title. Why? Because there is a transformation between the video, as you could see, before and after. So everybody is curious to know what is the transformation. It's just like bodybuilding. Everyone curious to see someone from 300 pounds to 150 pounds. Right? This is curiosity. This is exactly what you need. But if you're new to YouTube, ChatGPT can help you with your own channel by getting inspired by something like this. So I will take another example of channel, which is I have it right here. This is a small one right here. So let me pause this. So this guy right here, he just started. So he got only 38,000. But if you go to his video get a lot of views. His video get a lot of views and he only upload 700. He started 2 years ago. So if you go to his old video, that wasn't the case. So what did he change? As you could see, his thumbnail wasn't that good back then. And then if you go to the latest, now he start putting his face and he's putting his some text in the thumbnail. Also, it show you the transformation and the thumbnail right here. If you check the thumbnail, you could get an idea of what is the video about. And in its old video, there is no explanation. It just put some random thumbnail. So that is a huge step to grow a YouTube channel. So first thing is you have to put your face and then hire a thumbnail designer, or you can do it yourself using Canva. And then the most important thing is the title. So YouTube is all about recreating what is been working. So let's say you own a gardening YouTube channel. So in order to get a video go viral on your new YouTube channel, you need to get in the trend. So this channel right here is the perfect example. This is not a big YouTube channel. Let me check. It got almost 1 million monthly views. So this is the perfect target for you. I use this extension that will help you find similar YouTube channel just like that one, so you can add as your competitor. So if you just start a YouTube channel with 38,000 will be the perfect competitor to compete with. So of course you will not compete with big channel like this one with 1 million views. So we're going to target something like this. First, I'm going to check for similar YouTube channel just like this one. So it will take a couple seconds. So meanwhile, I will go into the channel. I will go to his video. So alright, let's say this video is starting my favorite cottage flower in a bed of planting. So this is not a title I would suggest you guys to do. So in order to make something like this, you can make a way better title. So let's copy this title and then let's go to ChatGPT. Let's paste this title and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a similar YouTube title, but it must has a chance to go viral. So I want to make a YouTube video inspired by this title, but I want my title to be more viral and attention grabbing and a bit dramatic that will definitely get someone click to the video by seeing this title. So let's see what ChatGPT come with. So as you could see, ChatGPT give us some of the best video idea to copy from this YouTube channel. So why we're not going to a different YouTube channel to copy those? Because we had proof of concept this is work. And yesterday he uploaded a video and now we already got 17,000 views. So this is the proof of concept that we need. So let's say you don't have plant those type of plant, you had a different type of plant. Well, let's say you plant tomato, and you can go to ChatGPT as well and you tell ChatGPT this: I don't have those flowers in my house, I have tomatoes and lettuce. This is what I growing. So I want you to inspire to give me my video idea based on my plant, and then click enter. As you could see, voila, ChatGPT give you 10 title that will crush the YouTube algorithm based on this viral title from this YouTube channel. So this is how easy it is, guys, to start a YouTube channel. So if you do not start a YouTube channel as of 2025 to put out there your knowledge, I don't know what you guys waiting for. So if we check those titles, I start planting tomato and lettuce and something unexpected happened. This is very, very good title. Let me copy it to check on YouTube if there's someone that creates something like this. As you will see, one of the short is 28 million views, and this guy right here is killing it. There is no one else got this title on YouTube already. So as you can see, guys, this is 10 title that you could use to start your YouTube channel. So there is nothing that can stop you to create your video. And now what you want next is have an iPhone. You can use your iPhone to create those videos, and make sure you hold your iPhone in a good way that people can see exactly what you're doing. If you go on Amazon, there is some tripod that you can use to hold in your phone while you're recording. That will help you a ton to create those videos. So this is simple as that. And for your thumbnail, something like this, you don't have to go super hard. So you can just take a picture of the tomato that you already plant. Let's say you plant it in week 1, and then you can take a picture, and then 2 weeks later you take another picture where the seed already growing, and to show just before and after, because this title is a before and after YouTube title. And that's it. So if you want to know more about those type of guide to help you crush the YouTube algorithm, you can let me know in the comment. Also, we have a community that helping each other, where we have weekly call. It's a mastermind, and based on YouTube, small creator who want to learn about YouTube. If you want to join our group, let me know, guys, in the comment. Until next time, I will upload more video to help you guys crush the YouTube algorithm. That's for sure. Until next time, peace. Also, if you want the list of this title, I will leave them in the comment for you guys as well.